السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في سلسلة إنجليش الغريب. الحمد لله المرة اللي فاتت خلصنا المستوى الأول تماما، والنهاردة بإذن الله هنبتدي في المستوى الثاني. طبعا دي إجابات الامتحان اللي فات. إن شاء الله النهاردة معانا verb to be وإيه المشاكل اللي ممكن تحصل لو أنت ما عرفتش verb to be. فيلا بينا. Welcome back again. Today we have verb to be. What's the meaning of verb to be? This is am, is, or are. But why am, is, or are not be? This is like any language. For example, Arabic. We have verb to be in Arabic. It's different depending on the subject. I, he, she, it, you, we, they are different with the verb. For example, we have here he, she, and it. This is singular or plural? Yes, singular. What about you, we, and they? They are plural. Good. What about I? Is it singular or plural? It's plural. But except with verb to be. It doesn't go with the singular. It doesn't go with the plural. It takes am. This is in the present. But with other verbs, it goes with the plural. Okay, so with verb to be, we have two problems. The first one is because we don't have verb to be in Arabic a lot, we don't use it a lot, so sometimes in English we forget it. How? For example, my house big. In Arabic, this sentence is correct, but in English it's not correct. Why? Because I don't have a verb. And in English, if you don't have a verb in the sentence is incorrect. Another example, my name Ahmed. In Arabic, this is correct, but in English, it's incorrect. Why? Yeah, because we don't have a verb. And if you don't have a verb, this is incorrect. Another example, and this is the last example, they happy. In Arabic, this is correct, but in English, it's incorrect. Why? Because we don't have a verb. So, if you forget any verb, know that you forgot verb to be. Why? Because we don't use verb to be in Arabic a lot, but in English, we must have a verb. Okay, so this is the first problem with verb to be. The second problem is that sometimes we don't need verb to be, but we put verb to be, and this is incorrect. Some people sometimes put verb to be beside another verb. For example, they say, he is speak English, and this is incorrect. Why? Because I can't have verb to be beside another verb. I can't say she is go to school. No. So I can't have verb to be beside another verb, except when the verb has ing. So, if you have verb to be and another verb, you must put ing to the verb. So, this is verb to be and this is ing. They come together or they go together. For example, I playing. This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? Because I have ing, but there is no verb to be. So this is incorrect. I say, I play, no verb to be, no ing, or I say I am playing. There is verb to be, there is ing. Another example. They are play football. This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Why? Because I have verb to be, but I don't have ing. So again, they come together or they go together. But I play, this is correct. I am playing, this is correct. So what's the difference between I play and I am playing? If you have verb to be and ing, this means that it's happening now. What about if I don't have verb to be, I don't have ing? This is happening now, or this happens all the time? It happens all the time. So, if I say, I am eating, this means I am eating now or all the time? Now. Why? Because I have verb to be and ing. What about I eat? This is now or all the time? All the time. So remember, we have two problems with verb to be. The first one is sometimes we forget it. The second one is that we sometimes put it with another verb, and both of them are incorrect. And this is the end of today's video. اهلا بكم مره تانية. الحمد لله في الفيديو بتاع النهارده تعرفنا على المشاكل اللي يسببها verb to be، وعرفنا ان في مشكلتين. اول حاجه ان هو مش موجود عندنا في العربي كتير، فساعات بننساه عشان هو مش موجود عندنا. ساعات مثلا بقول اسمي احمد، ما بقولش اسمي يكون احمد. تاني حاجه ان احنا بنخاف ان احنا ننساه فبنستخدمه واحنا مش محتاجينه اصلا، فدي المشكله التانية. والسبب في ان احنا ساعات بنستخدمه واحنا مش محتاجينه ان احنا عندنا نزع اللي احنا بنبقى عايزين نبين الفرق بين المفرد والجمع. فبنقول مثلا عايز اقول هو يلعب فبقول he is play بدل ما اقول he plays. طبعا هنعرف المره الجايه ازاي نفرق بين المفرد والجمع سواء في الاسماء او في الافعال. فما تنساش تشترك في القناه وتفعل الجرس عشان ما يفوتكش اي فيديو المره الجايه ان شاء الله. أشكركم جدا على المشاهدة، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.